AI rebuilt my resume, portfolio, and LinkedIn with insane results. In this video, I'll guide you through the transformative process and reveal how AI can elevate your professional presence. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's explore how AI can revolutionize your career tools. First, let's look at the resume. AI tools can optimize your layout, highlight key achievements, and even suggest powerful action verbs. The difference is night and day, making your resume stand out to potential employers. Next, your portfolio. AI can curate your best work, organize it intuitively, and even enhance visuals. This makes your portfolio not just a collection of work, but a compelling story of your professional journey. Finally, LinkedIn. AI can refine your profile picture, craft a captivating headline, and enhance your summary. These changes can significantly boost your visibility and engagement on the platform, attracting more opportunities. These AI-driven changes are just the beginning. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on leveraging technology for career success. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more transformative content. See you in the next video.